How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel once again. I'm hoping you're having a great day today and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do brakes and rotors on a 2020 Challenger SRT Hellcat wide body with 20-inch wheels on them. I'm already done the driver's side in the process. I'm waiting on the parts. The rotors are the most expensive thing you're gonna buy on this car. So for the job, I'm gonna show you what I use. Now remember, there's a lot of ways that you can do this job. This is the way I do it. Simple, no special tools needed. So I'm going to show you the tools that I use. I use a short extension, 3/8 Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pliers, and a hammer, plastic hammer. I think this one's called a dead blow or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is the 5 tools. There's 6 tools. This is 5. And the last one is the brake spreader. If you guys can see, this is a 6-piston caliper, brembo brakes. The customer called me. This car's been sitting here since Wednesday. Today is Friday. There is a holdup on the rotors because they're not easy to find. However, he called me Wednesday and told me, hey man, my brakes are grinding. And I said, well, bring it by, let me check it out. And look at this. Unbelievable. Metal to metal all the way, guys. Metal to metal, look at that. You guys, if you guys don't know how much are these rotors, they're really expensive, man. If you guys want to know the fitment on this tire, it's 305, 35, 20. So if you guys want to know the price on one of these cars, $70,000 for a year this new. These cars are not cheap, and the parts are not cheap. And here you go. Here's the rotor I took out already. Not any rotor will fit this car. So before you order it, do your measurements, do your research. I called several places and they send the wrong rotor. This one measures from here to here, 15 and a half. 15 and a half. And that's how big this rotor is. This rotor costs around $700 a piece. If you buy it from the dealership, I think it's like $1,500 for 2 of them. I don't remember, but these are not cheap, man. They're really expensive. So right now I'm just waiting for the parts to get here, and I'm going to share some tips with you. If you notice, my brake spreader, it's not long enough. This is a 3-piston caliper. So what I end up doing, I took the brake pads. What I first did, the brake pads don't fit in there because the pistons are pushed in both sides. So what I did, I put the brake spreader first, and then I pushed them back as much as I can. My brake spreader is not long enough to get all 3 of them. So once you push it back the first time with just the brake spreader, it'll give you enough space to then put the brake pads that are all worn out. If you guys can notice, they're metal to metal on both sides, look. So then I put them back in, because if you don't put the brake pads in, there's no way you're gonna be able to push all 3 of them back with just the brake spreader. Unless you have a brake spreader that's long enough to get all 6 of them, then it will work. But I have the short brake spreader, so it wasn't long enough, so that's why I put the brake pads inside, then I go ahead and spread it open again, and it worked this time. So to do the job, you just remove, first thing you do is remove the pins. You remove the pins. They're coming from both sides. You hit it with the 3/8. You hit it with the 3/8 extension. Like put it right there at the spot, and then hit it with the hammer slowly, and it'll push back by itself. Then you grab the plier and push them out. I will show you on the other side. Just give me a few minutes. I forgot to bring my tripod, but when the parts get here, I will show you guys. Also, when you take this out, it's very important for you to clean them up. You see how dusty they are? Make sure you clean them up before you put them back, along with this clip. Clean the clip as well, because it's really dirty. You also need a wire brush to clean all the dust. And this is the new brake pads that are going in. You guys want to know the part number? Let me see where the part number is. I paid $100 for this brakes. I'm trying to see where the part number is. They don't have part number. That's crazy. Let me see. I'm still looking for you guys. Part number. Oh, there it is. All right. This brake pads were $120. So I'm waiting for the rotors to get here. Once they get here, I would shoot the other side, because I haven't taken it out. That way you guys get a clue how to do them. And you gotta get this little pins moving. Look. Both of them. I'm helping with the light because it's dark in here. Now with a slim screwdriver, Phillips. Take your time, and boom, the first one is out. Now these rotors took about 3 days to get here. They had to ship it from another warehouse. Same thing, look. Boom. The pins are out. This one is stopped because he rolled. Look at here. Look at here. The rotor, look, gone. Metal to metal. That's why these things are so stuck in there, because he rolled it till he couldn't anymore. Now we got this free. This one here does not come out. This is part of the caliper. This one right here does not come out as part of the caliper. So don't try to take it out. .21 millimeter. Loctite. Take the charger for a cruise. This one only has 20,000 miles. taking it for a spin. Mind you that this car is almost brand new. I think in stock it's like 700 horsepower.
There are no phones connected. Connect a phone and try again.
I just did the brake pads and rotors. Just checking, making sure everything's good before the customer takes it. I normally don't do this, but I just wanted to drive it because I never drove a Hellcat. So far so good. I like it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Any comments, leave it in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, I appreciate all the effort, all the help. Thank you to all my subscribers, and I'll see you on the next one.